customize your exhaust. We're going to give you some tips for a better tone and the most torque increase per dollar spent. Stick around for a savings code on Vance and Hines exhaust. Click the link in the upper right corner to see this video in email format. Your Harley does not need back pressure.
When you have a baffle in the exhaust, not an open baffle, a factory baffle with a plug where you cannot see from one end to the other, okay? That's creating an immense amount of back pressure, which is robbing you of power, okay? You take that out, now it's open. You can see from one end to the other. Now you don't have any back pressure to speak of, and yes, you drop power.
Reversion is what robs your Harley's power.
That open exhaust has gotten rid of the restriction, but now you have what is called reversion. And reversion is where, as the exhaust pulse hits the open or the outside end of the exhaust, part of that turns around, reverts, and goes back up the pipe all the way to the exhaust valve and slows down the exhaust gases exiting the pipe.
The TTI will increase torque enough that it can be felt with your butt dyno.
One of our big products is our exhaust inserts, specifically the patented Thunder Torque inserts.
Over the years, we've shown various dyno charts showing the improvement that happens in performance when you put a Thunder Torque insert into a free-flowing exhaust.
Thunder Torque inserts work with any exhaust system, stock or aftermarket.
A lot of questions, how can something that is so small produce such a big increase in power? And people have asked for proof and this and that. And you can bring up on the screen, Dwayne, right now, what we've had for years on our website is Thunder Torque insert before and after dyno charts. And we just did 2 days doing different dyno polls on different bikes. And we tried Thunder Torque inserts in 4 of them. And we have the results that we're going to share with you today.
Thunder Torque inserts will deepen the exhaust tone and increase power. Here's a before and after sound clip. Not sure what size? Measure the inside diameter about 2 inches in from the exit. This is where the TTI will be installed. Use this coupon code at checkout to save 5.55% when ordering Vance and Hines exhaust. There is a link to Vance and Hines exhaust in the description below. Thanks for watching this video version of our email. See all the links in the description below, including a link to this actual full email. Y'all ride safe.